Hello everybody, now let us solve the fourth sum. Redo the sum, write the postfix expression for the infix expression given a plus b star c plus d in brackets by f plus d star e. So first we'll write the sum. Okay. So the sum is a plus b star c plus d by f plus d star e. So this is the infix expression which is given, and we have to find out the postfix expression. Okay, so first we will, to solve this setup of problems, first we can see everything, all the expressions given in values a, b, c, d as variables. So first it is better to draw a tree with the operators, then we can write the postfix expression easily. So let's see how to draw the tree first. So we need to know that in any expression you see that the value is, then brackets is the given the precedence. So what is the precedence? Can write first precedence is brackets, then here multiplication division, and then positive and negative. Okay, so based on this we'll first draw the tree, and then we'll write the, from the tree it is easy to write the postfix expression. So first we'll draw the tree. See, this bracket is main is first precedence, so we'll draw the bracket. So we'll write the operands and operator first bracket first. So C and D. So draw two nodes C and D. Then join with the operator. What is the operator? Plus. So this is finished. So next, what will be the next operator, which is in precedence? See, after bracket, multiplication and division. So multiplication division means here you have b, and then here you have division, here also multiplication, but here you have to take this expression, you complete this expression and go to next expression. So here we have plus star b, so we'll write b here, and then we'll draw a, which is multiplication. Next we have f plus d star e. So we'll, so this expression which is you have to divide by f. See, b star c plus d by f. See, plus is having less precedence than multiplication and division. So plus we need not consider. First we'll consider the multiplication and division. So next we draw this f by f. So this value divided by f. So here we draw a division. What will divide? You divide by f. Okay, next, so this expression is finished. So then this expression, so d star e, so d star e will here d, right, redraw d e, and then write a draw a star. So d star e, so we have completed d star e, we completed this, and then now we have to add these two, right? See, this expression and this expression has to be added. So we'll draw the addition, right? So draw the plus operator and add this one and with this one. Next we have added this one. Next this has to be added with a. So write a and then draw the main group, that is, this is plus. So you add a plus this two expressions. Okay, so this is the tree. We have completed the tree. So after you completed this tree, this writing the postfix expression is very easy. So normally when you write the postfix expression, like we have did in the first question. So similarly we can write the postfix expression. So what is the postfix expression? So this is the root. Okay, So how we'll write postfix? We'll write left, right, and root. Okay, that is what postfix representation will be. So left, right, and root. So here we have plus root. Here you have to write the left. Suppose you left subtree. So only A is there. So we write A. Right. Next we go to right. So right we have the root. Then go the left. So left subtree we have to find. So here we have a root. Then again go to the left. Then here is also root. Again go to the left. So what is there? B is there. So for this root, B is the left one. Write the right subtree. Now right subtree we have plus. Then C and D. C and D are left and right. So first for this root, we have to write left, that is C. Then we have to write D, and then we have to write the root, which is plus. Next we have finished the right subtree. We have finished left subtree. Now we come to the root. So we have to write this star, which is the root. So star. Next to come to this root. So this root here we have completed the left subtree. Okay, then we have to complete the right subtree. Right subtree only F is there. So write F, and then we have to write the root. Root is the division. So write division. Next come here. Next you come here. We have completed this full subtree for this root. So we have the full subtree for this root, means then left after this right. So go to the right subtree. There we find this root. Then come to the left, write D, E, and then star. Next we have completed left and we have right. Then we go to the root. So we have to write the root. So plus is the root. Next, so we completed the left. Here we have completed fully the right. So this right subtree is also completed. Next what we will write? We have the root only. So plus. So this is the postfix expression for this infix, given the infix expression. So if you're able to draw the graph, means it is becomes very easy to write the postfix expression. So if you draw the graph correctly, then based on these values we can write the postfix expression. I hope this is very easy to you. Okay, now let's see the next problem. That is the problem that is let n denote a positive integer. Suppose a function f is defined as f of n is equal to 0, n equal to 1, f of n by 2 plus 1 and n greater than 1. What is the value of f of 25, and what does this function find? So this is a reconciliation function. Okay, so they are given a reconciliation. They are given f of n as 0 when n equal to 1 and f of n by 2 plus 1 when n is greater than 1. So this is the given relation. Now we have to find out the what does this function find. So we have to find out what is the reconciliation. So here we know that we need to know the general form of the reconciliation, that is t of n is equal to a t n by b plus f of n. Here we need to know this formula. Then we have to apply this formula to this given function which they are given. Okay, so here comparing this with this, we find that f of n, here you can apply this formula when this is a positive integer, a positive value or positive function. Okay, for this you can apply this formula. Okay, so here f of n, what is f of n? F of n is 1. Here what is a? You have to find the values of a and b. So a is 1 because only f of n is there, and then n by b, n is given and b is 2. So b is 2. So we have to write this function. We have to remember this function, then only we can able to write. Next, after this we have to find out the value of g of n. So g of n is what? G of n is a log of log base b a. Okay, so what is log base b a? So here a is 1, b is 2. So log base b is 2 and a is 1. So g of n is log base b base a. So log 2 per 1. So log 1 is what? So log 1 base 2. What is the value of log 1 base 2? This is 0, because 2 power 0 is only 1. Okay, see, 2 power 0 is only 1, so this value is log 1 base 2 is 0. So g of n is 0. Say next, after finding g of n, we know f of n that is given is 1, and g of n we have to find out log base b a. Next we have to find out the conditions. We have to know the conditions. Example, if f of n, comparing the f of n and g of n. So f of n, whether f of n is greater than g of n, that means the reconciliation is f of n. If g of n is greater than f of n, means then the reconciliation will be switched to g of n. Now if f of n equal to g of n, means then the reconciliation becomes g of n log n. So this is the formula which you have to know. Okay, this is the formula that you have to know. Okay, f of n greater than g of n, then t of n is f of n. G of n greater than f of n means g of n equal to g of n. F of n equal to g of n means you have to write g of n into log n. So this is the reconciliation. So now we have to compare f of n and g of n. See, f of n is 1 and g of n is what? G of n log 1 0. So it is 0 only. So g of n is n log ab. Sorry, it is n log ab. So the value of g of n is n log ab, that which you have to check. You have to write the f of n, then you have to write the g of n. G of value is n log b a. So here you find that log 1 is 0. So n power 0 is equal to 1. So we find that this third condition will apply here. The third condition is applying here because f of n and g of n are same. F of n is equal to g of n. So what is the reconciliation? The reconciliation now becomes g of n is 1, right? N to the power 0 is 1. So 1 into log n. So this is the value of the reconciliation. The given reconciliation is 1 into log n. So next, so this is the value of the function. So what is this function return? This function finds out 1 into, the value is 1 into log n. So basically log n. Now what is f of 25? So what is f of 25 means what is log of 25. So n is 25, right? So we are given asked what is f of 25. In this case we have b is 2 and a is 1. So here we have to write log 25 from the base to base 2. What is log 25 to base 2? So log 25 to base 2 is log 25 base 2 is, how will you find out is, so what is the power of 2, which gives 25. Okay, we know 2 cube is 8, 2 power 4 is 16, 2 power 5 is 32. Okay, so here if you find that 2 power 5 is 32, but here is given is 25. So what values of x? We get 25. So 25 is between 4 and 5. It will be somewhere 4 point some value. So the value would be approximately 4 point something. So basically these problems in competitive examinations only. So here we can't find the exact value, so we can write the value as 4. So the value is of this function, that is f of 25, is 4, and the function returns the value of log n. I hope this is clear to you. Please give your feedback whether if you understand or not, or how my teaching is. You can inform it by the comment section. Thank you, and if you have any doubts, please write in the comment section.